Okay, for tonight's homework 12-9, I want you to copy all this work on your handout. I want to see you write your own sentences and then show me the words to show me that you listen. So here we go. This is an inequality, not an equation. You solve it the same exact way you would a normal equation, but this is an inequality. So first step, get rid of that -5 by doing the opposite to both sides of my equation or my inequality. Don't put an equal in there. Bring down the 2x, bring down this inequality, add that 28 plus 5 to get 33. And then right there, divide by 2. The opposite of timesing, dividing by 2. Get that answer as a decimal if it is, which gives me x less than 16.5. I want to see on your paper that you write this in words. X is less than, the one that looks most like a capital L, less than 6.5, 16.5. Hopefully you're able to give me three numbers less than 16.5. So like maybe 10, 11, two numbers it looks like, maybe 12, one more. Or if you made a number line there to help yourself out, that would be 13, 14, 15, 16. That would be a open circle on 16 and a half, which would be about here, and arrow going to the left to show all the numbers that you could choose from. All these numbers are less than 16.5. I could plug in 16 in there. I could plug in 15, 14. Don't want to do 15, 16, 17. No, those will be no good. Don't want to do numbers that are more than 16.5. So again, these numbers would be bad. If you chose from there 15, 16, 17, that would be no good because technically 17 is not less than negative 16.5. If you, of course, pick 17, 18, 19, those would be no good either. So again, solve it either with a number line or not. Be able to give me numbers that are possible solutions. And now it says, tell me how your solutions satisfy the inequality. First word is blue. Again, of course, blue. So to tell me, show me the math, what I would do, pick two numbers clearly in that zone. Like 0 is clearly in that zone. Another number would be 10. Plug those in. Show me what happens. So if I take that inequality and I plug in any of those numbers in the inequality zone, it's going to give me a true statement. Show me this work. That gives me 0 minus 5, which is negative 5. And that for sure is less than 28. Plug in another number in that zone. Plug in maybe 10. Show me how that works and gives me a number less than 28. This gives me 20 minus 5, which is 15, which is another number less than 28. That's true. What happens if you pick a bad point, though? Let me show you. If you pick a point not in the zone, like maybe 18 or 19, let me show you what happens. Or maybe even 20. 20, definitely not in the zone. That gives me 100 minus 5. And of course, 100 minus 5 is 95. And there's no way 95 is less than 28. That is false. Any point not in the solution zone will give you a false statement. Second word is Michigan, of course. Michigan. Again, on these, I want you to see that solving these same way. Just know that if this would have been x less than or equal to 16.5, that would have been a solid circle on that 16 and a half, which means I could include that in my my set if I wanted to. That would be a good number. Know that an inequality going the opposite way, that doesn't look like an L, is more than to the right. Open circle to the right. If it was more than or equal to, it would be a solid circle on 16.5 to the right. All right, so show me all this work, even the extras, and then of course my third word, which is west. West. Good luck.